30 or 45 days job training program in Raipur, low fees. Enroll today. Looking for a budget-friendly option to advance your career? Look no further. Our program offers remarkable value at an affordable cost. Secure your spot today and take a decisive step towards a brighter future. Don't miss out. Enroll now. Your career is of paramount importance, and a high-quality job training program can pave a new path for your professional growth. We proudly present the 30 or 45 days job training program available in Raipur. Get started. Remember, seats are limited. Make the most of this chance by applying without delay. Call 8982193018. याद रखें, सीटों की संख्या सीमित है, तो बिना समय गवाए आवेदन करने का अवसर जरूर उपयोग करें, या फिर सीधे आप हमारे अकेडमी में आकर संपर्क करें। टेक चेरी IT अकेडमी, सेक्टर 9, कमल विहार, रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़। धन्यवाद।